Well, folks, we're back out here again today on the local creek. As you can see, the water is a bit chocolatey, I guess, kind of chocolatey. It's been really hot. It's been low, clear conditions, a lot of pressured fish. We're out trying to catch some trout today. And these fish have seen a lot, everything from bait to flies to spinners, you name it. Now with the water being, finally got a little bit of rain, it's not really blown out, it's a little off color. Let's see if it changes their opinion at all today. We're actually at a couple, this is a heavily pressured spot on a local tributary, so we're gonna see what happens, and I will keep you posted. All right, we're in another one here. Not terrible, not huge, average fish. They're still popping around here, but there's still activity going on. Yellow energy in them, huh? Not a very big one, right? There's a fight going on there, huh? Rainbow. Decent rainbow. Not bad rainbow. A tank, but yeah, it's a solid 14 or 15 incher. If we get them up here, we'll be alright. Alright, buddy, relax. Okay. When they want to go, when they want to go back, folks, I get them back. Just boom, just get them back. You don't want to hurt them. They start getting all wiggly on you. Just get them back in the creek as quick as possible. And see, it was fresh. I got them in quick. Get them out. When water temperatures get warm like this, and you're releasing these fish, you want to get them in and get them out as quickly as possible. Yeah, that's kind of the ticket here. It's nice fighting him, and I mean, sometimes you have no choice but to fight him. He ran a little bit, and I pinched down on the drag when I realized it wasn't very big, and it probably wasn't going to break off, and I just wanted to get him in for the safety of the fish. Alright, we're into fish. I mean, a nice fish here. Pretty nice rainbow, actually. Oh yeah, that's a nice fish. That is a nice fish. That's a nice fish there. A couple pictures of this guy. Alright, folks, I got a little money on that one. See if we can release this guy. Oh, okay. Alright. My fish is ready. My fish is getting crazy on there. Not real fat, but pretty long and skinny. There she goes. There you go. There you can see, buddy. Fish on. A little bit better. Not huge, but a little better. A rainbow. Well, this was not too bad. There he is. There you go. See you, buddy. We got a good one on. Feels good. Looks good. Pulling drag. Saw him. It looked pretty good. Not huge. Again, not huge. I thought he was bigger than he was. He was tugging drag though. Give him that. Alright, buddy. I guess here's a fish. Put it back. There she goes. See ya. Into another fish. I don't know what that is. It's fighting good though. Oh, it's fighting good. It's moving pretty good here. I have not seen this fish. It looks like another rainbow. definitely decent. Whatever it is. It's large. Yeah, it's another nice rainbow. It's fighting good though. Another nice rainbow. That's a nice one. Yeah, he's actually smaller than the last one, I think. Big fish though. Big fish. Yeah, he's actually shorter. He's more stout. There he is there. It's a big fish. And folks, look at this big bow here. A little CPR action. Give her some time to get her juice back. She fought good. That's a good fish. It's no slouch. And I try to get this fish in as quick as possible. She's like a fighter. And these temps warming up. It's good to. You definitely want to try to get these fish back as quick as possible. There she goes. See ya. She goes right there, folks. Back down into the depths. Right. Oh, you got something big on there. Something big on there. Dude, you definitely have something big on here. I don't know. That's a big trout. Hey, he's not that big. Showing off a little bit, I think, more than he is. Rainbow. He's not huge, I think he's showing off a bit. Hey, he's not terrible. Jumping like a steel. You see him out there jumping? Trying to be out of the camera view here, sorry guys. He's not huge, but he got a lot of spunk. I'd say he's probably 18. Yeah, that's a nice 18-inch fish. He's not huge. Boy, he's energy filled. Big silvery fish, high energy. Right in the corner of the mouth. What you want to get him? Look at the pink on him. This guy, we're not even going to photograph this guy. Just going to let him go. Beautiful, a nice 18-incher. See you, buddy. There he goes. Later. Thanks for playing. Oh yeah. Got one on here. I got this one feels decent. I haven't seen him. He did come up there. Yeah, he's not bad actually. Yeah, a nice enough. Well, let's just come up out of the water and take something off the top. Yeah, he's not huge. It's just rainbow like a steamboat there. Sometimes these rainbows, they oftentimes these rainbows get real excited. We have another decent one on there. They're about 18 inches or so. Pretty nice rainbow. There he goes. He gets some high energy. That's taking that, whoa, trying to take in that wood there. I don't want that. I think he just realized he was hooked. I think he just realized he was hooked. Yeah, it's about 18. Not a slouch. Yeah, good fish. Solid fish. I relaxed it. Yeah. There's the next big bow. These fish aren't real, these fish aren't super thick. I will say that they have extremely nice colors. See, that's your Freddy. See you. Thank you. Later. Well, that was the day in a nutshell there, folks. Hope you enjoyed it. We did manage to got quite a few fish, considering, I mean, public, highly pressured water. The day was a little bit on the cooler side. That helped the cause out a bit. But we got into some bigger fish there, you know, like I state, you know, those 18 to 24 inch in the breeder class, you know, broodstock. So we found a few, not huge ones, but we found some in that bracket. Yeah, I mean, it was nice out. Everything was pretty kind of weed choked. Key was, you know, we went through our rotations, went to the imitation eggs, fish some natural deluxe, fish some garden worms, you know, basic red worms, fish some trout magnets, fish some power worms. I mean, just, yeah, kind of went through the whole routine there. But yeah, however, I believe that the next video coming is going to be a video on trying to get into some walleye and bass and some toothy. I got a place where that stuff's supposed to be. We're going to try it. We're going to see if it's good, if it's bad, but that'll be the next video, though. Yeah, hopefully it all works out. I know that we're going to be throwing some Mr. Twisters, throwing some Kitex, some different size jigs, and maybe we'll throw some gliders and some bigger musky lures. We'll see how it plays out. But I'll keep you in the loop. I'll keep you in tune. You know, it's primarily a cold water, you know, trout, steelhead fishing, you know, but we will see some other stuff. You know, we got to adapt to the season changes here. If it's not there, it's not there, and I got to, you know, if you guys want to see some fish, so I'm going to put some fish out there for you. Yeah, if you like the content, if you got any suggestions, you know, somewhere to try, you know, something you want to see me do, please, by all means, post them down below. And you know, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, like that channel, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you hit that notification bell, you'll be notified each and every time we put a video up. And remember, fishing's light.